Hi, Ben here from Atella. Here we have the RL-200 2S dual dialing grade unit. We're going to jump in and have a look what's in the case. Here we have the RL-200 2S. This unit is a dual wide grade receiver, true 25% grade functionality. Also comes with a 1100 metre working range around the unit, so 550 metres either side. Also including plus or minus 1 mil over 30 metres. This unit also includes a rechargeable battery pack. The RL-200 2S comes with sensitivity mode for wind and vibration on site, along with Topcon standard features of height alert, IP66 weather rating and 5-year warranty. Also in the case here, the charger for the unit, the RC400 remote control. This unit works up to 300 metre range. The Alice 80X Topcon receiver. The RL-200 2S operator's manual, along with the Australian calibration certificate to say the unit has been certified and tested in Australia. Also available is our premium kit with the Alice 100D receiver. This unit replaces the Alice 80X. For further servicing, calibrations or product registration requirements, please go to topconlaser.com.au.